Hello and welcome to Your Next Car and the walk around video for the 2015 65 Reg 335D M Sport Touring. The vehicle is presented in black sapphire metallic, features a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit as well as the very eye-catching 20-inch 405 M style alloy wheels that are all brand new with 4 brand new tyres. Back to the front of the car, you'll see the gloss black front splitter, matching kidney grills and of course the LED daytime running lights. Down the side of the car, hopefully throughout the video you'll be able to see just how clean and tidy this car is throughout. We've also got the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Also comes with our gloss black sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals. As I make my way up towards the car, you'll be able to see just one of the vehicle's options. It has got the comfort access. Placing my hand on the door handle will unlock the car for me once I've got the key on my person. So of course, should you have your hands full, that's a really useful feature. Coral red Dakota leather with the electric lumbar option. As you can see there, all of the interior is in absolutely incredible condition on this car and works really well with the exterior colour. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Of course, the xDrive 4-wheel drive system. Very spacious 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest and of course the darkened M Sport headlining, which again is all in superb condition and looks like that's barely ever been sat in actually. Before we head round to the very back of the car, we'll show you off once again these fantastic brand new 20-inch alloys. At the back of the vehicle there is of course front and rear parking sensors, and on all of the 3 Series Tourings you do get the automatic open and closing tailgate, as you can see there. That then reveals a very big boot space. You can make that even bigger because you can remove the luggage cover as well as split folding the seats. Round at the driver's side, once again everything's lovely and clean and tidy, and of course that black sapphire under any lighting will of course shine very nicely. And as you can see there, all very clean. Inside the car we've got some other nice special features which we'll go through and show you now, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen. The car also does have a power folding mirrors, as you can see over here. That of course can be controlled using either the lock button or still using the comfort access feature. In terms of having that bigger screen, it is of course always a massive benefit, especially when it comes to using things like the sat-nav. Having a bigger screen always going to be a bonus, especially on such an easy to use sat-nav system. Anybody could get to grips with using this system. It also uses real-time traffic updates to ensure you're on the fastest route possible. Over on Bluetooth now, there is both Bluetooth telephone and audio. We've also got DAB as well as a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including USB, AUX and the music collection, as you can see there. Back at the main menu we'll show you the service requirement screen in just 1 second. 43,000 miles covered, or just a little bit over, and we've got both the cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls all on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, and of course the pedals for our 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Heading into the vehicle information screen now, as you can see there, once we open the menu, everything is highlighted in green. Engine oil is not due for 11,000 miles time, and up at service history there is a full BMW service history. Last thing to show you is the rear facing reversing camera the car also comes equipped with, front and rear sensors as I mentioned. So there is a look around at this very nicely presented and very high spec 335D M Sport Touring. Hopefully you've enjoyed the walk around and been able to find it useful. If you'd like some more information, in the description you'll find some links to the website. On there you'll find all of the prices and funding options available for this wonderful 3 Series Touring, alongside all of our other incredible examples. Thank you all so much. Do of course take care. Bye bye.